Indians born before 1975, now try these world-class hearing aids at home. With Hear.com's special home visit service, you get clinic-like services at your home. Get a detailed hearing checkup and try the latest hearing aids without stepping out. This is Stiletto iX from Signia. Ultra slim, lightweight, and beautifully designed to sit comfortably, even with glasses. It's powered by Signia Integrated Experience with real-time conversation enhancement, so you never miss a word, even in noisy groups. All-day battery life, rechargeable, and adjustable through a simple mobile app tailored to your hearing. Choose from 7 stylish colors. Choose comfort, choose performance, even in noisy places like traffic or busy restaurants. Signia Stiletto iX. It's more than a hearing aid. It's your style, your clarity, your connection. Don't wait any longer. Click the button, book your trial now.